Thank you so much. A box, question number 9A, Common Mock Central Province, Mathematics paper 1. A box contains 10 separate number cards that are marked with the first natural numbers. If a card is randomly drawn out of the box, find the probability that the card is not a prime number. B. Solve the equation -8 open bracket 2y minus 3 close bracket squared plus 32 equals to 0. Solutions. I'll start with A. Rule number 1, they have talked about natural numbers. So the key point is there to know they are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? They start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the first 10 natural numbers according to the equation. So if you don't know natural numbers, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow followers, it means you are gone. So what is important is to know natural numbers. Number 2 is to understand what is your prime number. What is a prime number? So there are 2 ways I can answer this question. Number 1 is just by on the same set. So how many numbers are there? There are 10. So meaning that my sample space, my sample there is 10. My sample there is 10. This is my sample space. So now what am I looking for? What is that which I'm looking for? I'm looking for what we call prime numbers. So I'll look for prime numbers. How many prime numbers are here? So prime numbers, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to look at the set of prime numbers. A prime number is a number with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. Why? Because 9 has got the following factors. It has got 1, 3, and 9 itself. So these are the factors. These are the factors of 9. Therefore, 9 does not qualify because it has got 1, 2, 3. But these prime numbers I've mentioned, I'm talking about 2, 3, 5, and 7. Considering this set we are given, how many are out? So we are saying the prime numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4. So which the rest are not prime numbers. So probability not prime, not prime. You agree with me that you just count what is remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 out of 10. So this is one way of answering it. You say, okay, probability not prime number or not prime is equal to, you divide 2 there 3, 2 there 5. So this is one method. You just have using the same set, you can answer that one. Another method, I'll call this method 1. Another method, I don't know which one will you prefer, it's up to you, is to know that probability of getting prime number. Mind you, the probability of getting this prime number, the probability of getting the prime number is equal to, how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 there. It is 4 over 10. That is the probability of getting prime numbers. Now, what you should understand, the probability of getting prime numbers, prime number, plus probability plus the probability of not, probability of not. So for not, I will say probability of not prime is always 1. So probability of getting a prime number plus the probability of not getting a prime number is 1. So this one I've got the probability of getting a prime number is 4 out of 10 plus probability of not prime number. So not prime. So this is the probability of not prime is equal to 1. Put the right terms together. I remain with probability of not prime. You agree with me? Probability of not prime equals to 1 minus 4 over 10. So you agree with me that you have to look for the common denominator. So it is the same as just 1 over 1. There it will be a 10. There it will be a 4 because 10 into 10, 1. So the answer will be 6 over 10. and when you divide 2 there, 3, 2 there, 5, you divide, ladies and gentlemen, then the answer is the same. You can see that they have got this one, probability of prime number plus the probability of not a prime number is always equals to 1. So now from there I substitute probability of a prime number, therefore out of 10, plus the probability of not a prime number, ladies and gentlemen, is equal to 1. So I'll put the like terms together. This goes there, becomes a negative. Common denominator is 10. When you do the needful, you'll get that one. Another method is whereby by just on the set, we came up with this figure. I hope you have had a nice time and you have enjoyed. Thank you so much. God bless you. We are towards the exam. We are preparing. Grade 12, the exam is coming. Grade 9, the exam is coming. Please be in touch. Follow my YouTube and also my link so that more information you get it. It should be on your fingertips. We don't want you to get lost, say, I don't know, I never knew, and so forth. Please, thank you so much. We continue. We are going to look at B. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, they are asking us to solve this equation. Number one, it's not always that you should do multiply, open up the brackets, avoid. I cannot, this positive 32 goes there, becomes a negative 32. Here I cannot, you cannot multiply negative 8 to open up because this one is squared. How do I do it? I have to divide both sides by negative 8 by negative 8. Ladies and gentlemen, now I cannot multiply this. I can't expand because this one is in brackets is a squared. So this goes. I will remain with 2y minus 3 squared. Negative and negative is positive. There goes there 4 times. You agree with me that this one is the same as 2y minus 3 squared equals to 4. I introduce the square root both sides. Square root both sides, here it is positive or negative. I'm going to have a situation like 2y. This one will go 2y minus 3 equals to the positive 1. Square root of 4 is 2. The other one it will be 2y minus 3 equals to negative 2 because there are two values. Here you are going to agree with me that it will be 2y equals to 2 plus 3. And there you are going to agree with me that it will be 2y equals to 3 minus 2. Here it will be 2y equals to 1. Here it will be 2y equals to 5. Divide both sides by this. Paper 1, please don't leave your answer in improper fraction. So here I can divide both sides by 2. Don't leave your answer like this. Yes, you just using human face will give you a mark, but it's not good. You divide to be 2.5. It means you have answered. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you are supposed to answer this question. How do we answer this question? I said you cannot expand this negative 8 because this one in brackets is squared. Since it is squared, you cannot expand. So I had to get rid of 8. I had to remove the 8. How? First of all, I transfer the positive 32 goes there, becomes a negative. Then I divide throughout by negative 8. I remained with this one. Then I introduce the square root. From there, you will follow nicely, systematically. You will find out that these are the two possible answers for your value. So the value of y, you can bring it here using this one. It will fit there. Thank you so much. God bless you. I hope you are enjoying.